This side of the garden, and this year I didn't show you guys my garden too much, and I had a video out before, and peppers, and I'm gonna zoom in a bit and show you some of these peppers. And even up on that side there, these peppers just start coming right now. And what I'm gonna be doing with these peppers, I am going to be using them in sauce, guys. That's my thing, what I'm gonna be doing. So this is time right now. I really don't know um what kind of times are these, but they're smelling wonderful. These time are just gorgeous. They're smelling yum. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be cutting down some of these thyme, and I am going to be just store them for the winter. I don't know what kind of weed is this, but yeah, as you can see, they're just pretty, and they're flowering up as well. And I planted these last year, guys, and then this year it come back so pretty, a whole benefit, and I am loving it. When I see this, I'm actually not missing Jamaica, because I can come out here and pick my own stuff. You can see a pepper under there. It's ready.